What is up, you guys? It's K-Swag Road Rash Off-Road, and we are here at Windrock doing our Badge of Honor trails this weekend. Today we're going to do 16 and 26, so we're going after the big boys today. I'm here with David from the Georgia Jeep Alliance. Hello, everybody. We've got some new members back here. So Melissa drove up from Florida yesterday to come be with us up here at Windrock, so we're really excited about this whole weekend. We're going to go ahead and air down the Jeep. I got my Rhino USA deflator, and then we are going to disconnect our sway bars, and we are going to be ready to hit this trail. Let's do 16. One of our to-do lists that we want to do as a club is to get our Badge of Honor on Windrock badge. Windrock actually has 3 badges. 16 is probably the most difficult here. It's between a 7, 8 on the Jeep Badge of Honor app, and we're going to hit that one first. Oh boy. Hang on. So we stopped about halfway through the trail on 16. There's the waterfall, which park up at the top of the hill, walk down the rocks, and just a beautiful, cool, physically cool too, waterfall there. So took a little break, got some drinks, checked on the Jeeps. We're good. Let's finish this trail. So I got my diff hung up on a rock coming up this last little hill. I'm gonna have to winch myself out. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, I gotta put that. I won that synthetic line. I just hadn't put it on yet.
A whole lot easier to handle. Yeah.
And just like that, we finished Windrock 16. Had a couple of hiccups. Had our buddy broke his long arm bolt. Got that fixed. Put him back on the trail. Now I got stuck. Had to get pulled out with my tow strap winch, and we are done. And it's dark. And it's time to go home. We are here, day number 2 at Windrock, going after our 3 badges here. Yesterday we did 16, it was a beast. Today we're going after badge number 26 here at Windrock. So it's a little muggy, wet. We're anticipating some mud. We'll see how it goes today. Let's go.
No alcohol, correct?
No, sir.
Do you have a cooler or anything?
I've got a refrigerator back there in the back.
Look at it there real fast.
Not a problem. So we're having such a great time out here chasing down 26 today. It's nasty, muddy, but that makes it all the more fun. The Jeeps are sliding all over the place, so you got to be a little bit more intentional on your line. We stopped real quick just to grab a sandwich, some lunch. It's about 12:30. We're gonna have lunch, get back on the road, finish up 26. What you cooking up there?
Oh, just gonna cook up a sandwich. Got a few items, some Gatorade, some donut sticks. Gotta have some carbs.
Donut sticks?
Yeah. You want one?
Oh no, I'm good.
Okay.
I gotta come see what, you know, Lucas has a whole kitchen over here.
Yeah, come grab a piece of
Oh no,
sandwich.
I got my own sandwich. I was just coming over to see what.
Well, we have chips. Do you have chips?
No, but I might hit you up for that though.
Yeah.
Especially since Lucas called me out. It's like, how do you eat a sandwich without chips?
You have to
have chips.
Yeah.
Come on.
I've got pretzels, and beef.
Let me come over and see what you. Oh, that's right. You got the healthy sandwich.
It's not a healthy sandwich. It's just,
Justin, Leanne, what are you guys cooking up for lunch?
probably a ham and cheese sandwich.
Ham and cheese sandwich?
I got a peanut butter sandwich and some chips.
Or a bagel and cream cheese.
Oh, you guys are probably the most prepared because everybody else just went to Publix and just bought pre-made sandwiches. You guys are cooking up your own stuff.
Most of them have.
I love the Lunchables.
Most of them have.
Well, that's it, you guys. We finished 3 badge trails here at Windrock, waiting for those badges to arrive. 16 was amazing. It was awesome. 26 today. There were some sketchy pieces in there, some really hairy places, but all in all was an awesome, awesome ride. The weather cleared up for us. You guys, we had a great, great time this weekend. Some awesome Jeepers, some awesome trails. Nobody broke anything. So like and subscribe to this video. You guys, I've got a lot more content coming up. We've got a Beasley Knob. We're going after all the Badge of Honor trails, Beasley Knob, Gulches, and we also have another overlanding trip coming up in November that is going to be the Big Frog Loop. You guys, awesome weekend. Like, subscribe. So I think it's about time to retire my Jeep shoes. Look at these things. Holy cow. I think the whole bottom's about to fall off of them. They're done.